Sometimes when producing, we have some idea in our head, but getting that idea inside the DAW can kill the creative flow. So today I'm testing Mureka, an AI co-producer that works directly with Ableton Live to help turn ideas into actual starting point faster. I'm not switching my whole workflow or let AI make music for me. All that interests me here is speed. To get started, you open Ableton Live first, and then after you open Mureka Co. I always use it as a split window. Now let me show you how I get Mureka to communicate with Ableton Live. Go to Ableton and then you go to setting. You go to tempo and MIDI, and just right there you click and then you select Ableton Mureka. This is how you make sure that Mureka connected with Ableton Live. And when everything is good with the communication, you will see that it says that Ableton Live is connected right there and it is running. So basically Mureka Co works to a chat style interface while Ableton Live is running in the background. So let's try something simple. Create Afropop as instrumental track and the key of G minor. Now it's running. Normally it's going to generate everything right there and then put it inside of Ableton Live. Okay, we have our instrumental. Normally, as a producer, you have to have your own style. I think that's what gonna help you get more value as a producer. Let's say that you are in a session and then you don't have a clue where to start. You have a beat block and you say, hey, generate some nice Afro guitar melody for me. And also you can say, hey, generate this track, and then after you turn it into a multi-track, and then you can use some element of the track and you turn it into your own sound. That's how I think we should use AI, not asking for generating a full instrument. So every single of us music producer, we should definitely have our own sound, our identity. We should not lose that. So now we're gonna try to create another Afrobeat instrumental, and the key of C minor. BPM should be 90. Okay, now you can see that it's showing you the plan. It's not like it's just going to go boom and generate. You see, I'll check this session, and then you see that now we have our session BPM 90. Nice. Now we are going to ask Mureka to separate this instrumental stem, separate the stems. Boom. Sorry, separate the stems. What is happening with my typing today? Boom. We are good to go. Okay, you can see that all the stem are being imported in my DAW. Oh, that's it. That's it. You know what's cool with that? It's not just exporting one audio file. You actually get the stem separated, arrangement organized, and then the BPM aligned. Let's just play it. Let's mute this track right there, and then we play everything. That's fire. If I want I can solo the drums. See if I want to change something, or if I want to use my own drum. What's actually interesting with Mureka Co doesn't just help you generating idea. You can also control Ableton Live directly using natural language. So instead of digging through menus or shortcut, you can just type like create a MIDI track. You can see that. And we'll communicate with Ableton and then create my MIDI track. Boom, I have a MIDI track. You know, that's so simple. Rename track 12 to chord progress. Sorry. Progression. Okay, we can see that our track 12 is being renamed as corporation. Another thing that's cool with that, if there is an error, normally it will go through and then trying to find a solution and then to get what you ask for. Another feature I wanted to test is generating individual stems instead of full idea. Let's say that we have this project that we start. Let's ask Mureka Co to create a guitar that match the melody that we already have. Create a guitar melody that match the chord progression that I already have. Okay, so let's see if this one works. Let's go. Oh, it's generating a MIDI guitar melody. Okay, let's see. Okay. It's space to here and play. Okay. Now I want to add this guitar right there. Sorry. Let's look. So if you have a better instrument, let's go. Let's see this one. We can copy this right there and then we'll make it longer. You can see that it created a guitar melody that is in the same key as my chord progression and it sounds good. You see that I did two different examples. One where I generated a full idea and another one where I generated a full idea, turn it into stems, and then another one where I start my own project and then ask the Mureka Co to add a guitar for me. And the second example, Mureka Co provide the stem, and with this stem you have the ability to cut, to chop everything that you want and then do another new arrangement and have something new. This is what I like with it. It's like you have control on everything and you can still create your sound and don't lose your identity. That one thing that I want you guys to know. Even if you are using AI to give you starting point, starting idea, please always go and then combine it with your own sound, so you don't lose your identity. So your sound identity. Yeah, so it just feel like I have an assistant in my studio instead of replacing producer. This is one thing I don't like with some AI tools. It's like they just say, hey, go generate this idea, and then you have a song, you have something. So you can still add our vibe, our experience, our soul to the instrumental, and use AI as another tool in your workflow. And this is what I love with the Mureka AI. co-producer. I think tools like this are very good for speeding up the creative process when you hit a beat block. But the final sound, the arrangement, the bounce, you have control on all of those. And you can still keep your sound identity as a producer that is used. So if you want to check out the Mureka Co, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.